Hello everyone, welcome to the French desk. In the previous video, we had completed lesson 2 and today we'll be doing the exercises of the second chapter. So let's begin. I hope you have watched the previous parts of this lesson and you're all clear with it. And if you have any doubt, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll reply as soon as possible. So let's begin with the question. Identifiez le moment de la journée. Identify the time of the day. The first one has already been done. L'après-midi. L'après-midi, if you remember, is the word for afternoon. The afternoon. So l'après-midi. The second image is night. So night. So the word for night is N-U-I-T, nuit, and we write la nuit, the night, la nuit. This is evening. The word for evening is soir. So le soir, the evening, le soir. This is morning. The word for morning is matin, M-A-T-I-N, and we add le, the morning, so le matin. Moving on to the next question. Reliez les colonnes, match the columns. So we have to match these sentences with the image. So first, let's understand what these sentences mean. It's a recap from the previous part of the video. Ça va très mal. This means I'm very sick. Very sick. Très mal is very sick. Ça va très bien. I'm very good. I'm doing very good. This is ça va bien. I'm good. Ça va mal. I'm sick. Not very sick, just sick. Okay? Ça va mal. Ça va super bien. I'm just great. I'm too good. Super good. So this is I'm great. So now let's match it with the images. Ça va très mal. I guess this image seems to be sadder than this one. So let's match this with the first one. Ça va très bien. I'm very good. This seems to be the happiest. This is happier and this is just happy, just a smile. So ça va très bien with this one. Ça va bien. So I'm good. I guess this one. Ça va mal. I'm sick. This one. And ça va super bien matches with the person with the widest smile. Okay? Now let's do the second question. Next question. Écoutez et complétez le dialogue. We are not going to do this as a listening activity. We'll just try to complete the dialogue. So complétez le dialogue. Rahul. Salut. Como dash dash Mona dash je. So I guess Rahul has asked Mona her name. So salut. Como tu t'appelles? I hope you are now comfortable with this question. We've done it many times. Mona, salut. Je m'appelle Mona. Où habites-tu? Where do you live? So, où habites-tu? Mona, j'habite à Delhi. Rahul, au revoir. Mona, au revoir, goodbye. I hope you have understood the meaning of the dialogue. Rahul, salut, comment tu t'appelles? Hello, what is your name? Mona replies, hello, my name is Mona. Then Rahul asks, où habites-tu? Where do you live? Mona, j'habite à Delhi. I live in Delhi. Then Rahul says goodbye. Mona also says goodbye. Next question is présentez-vous en 4 phrases à la classe. Introduce yourself in 4 sentences to the class. Okay, so now let's learn to introduce ourselves. The basic sentences we use to introduce ourselves include our name, our age, our nationality, where do we live, our residence, and name, age, nationality, residence, and our profession. So these are the most basic questions we use to introduce ourselves. Sentences we use to introduce ourselves. So let's begin. Okay, so name, je m'appelle Palagoil. Age, j'ai 18 ans. Nationality, je suis Indian. This is for feminine, and if you are a male, you would say je suis India. Residence, j'habite à Noida. And profession, I'm a student, so I'd write je suis étudiante. Étudiante, you can add this word in your vocabulary, means student. This is the feminine form with an E, and if a male wants to write that he's a student, he would say je suis étudiant. So let's have a quick recap. Je m'appelle Palagoel, you can write your name. J'ai 18 ans. Je suis indienne. J'habite à Noida. Je suis étudiante. So I would appreciate if you have learned writing about yourself, these 5 sentences, I would appreciate if you could write 5 sentences introducing yourself in the comment section. And if you would have any problem, I'll help you out, okay? So just do this small activity for me. We have come to the last question of this video. Retrouvez les mots. Unjumble the words. This one would be merci, which means thank you. This one is bonjour, that is good morning. Third one, this could be bonsoir, that is good evening. This is désolé, which is sorry. This is very simple. This is au revoir. Au revoir. Oops. R-E-V-O-I-R. Au revoir. Goodbye. And the last one could be monsieur. M-O-N-S-I-E-U-R, which is Mr. or Sir. Okay.